A cosmopolitan city and the second largest city in the country, the coastal city of Surabaya is the capital of Eastern Java. With its markets and its different community districts, Surabaya is a pleasant city to visit, and strolling through its streets you can observe the traditional life of Indonesians. Surabaya kept some examples of Dutch architecture. You can visit the house of Sompaerno, the cigarette factory Kretek, a mixture of tobacco and cloves. The Suramadu Bridge is a three-section cable-stayed bridge connecting the cities of Surabaya on the island of Java and Bangkalan on the island of Madura, hence its name, formed from Surabaya and Madura. At 5,438 m, it crosses the Madura Strait, separating the Bali Sea from the Java Sea, and is the longest in the country. Emblematic memorial monument with a museum on 2 levels that houses exhibitions on the Battle of Surabaya in 1945. This place is a must-visit. The Great Surabaya National Mosque, Al Akbar, is the second largest mosque in Indonesia and is distinguished by its vertical dome shape and 99-meter high minaret. This mosque is beautiful, imposing, and impressive. The inside of the mosque is just beautiful. The decorative elements used on the central wall are calligraphy paintings carved to form vertical lines filling the space of the frame. On the left and right sides of the mihrab, we find the same geometric shapes but with different decorative elements. Batik motifs in the style of Islamic architecture fill the sides of the mihrab. A golden yellow wash makes the facade of the mosque very luxurious. Visitors appreciate even more the pulpit decorated with the same background. The ceiling of the main room, with the beauty of the dome, also highlights the splendor of the mosque. The shape of the ceiling follows the dome and has a geometric pattern, combining green, yellow, blue and gold as accents. This combination forms a very harmonious feeling with the general condition of the room. In addition to functioning as a place of worship, the Al-Akbar Mosque also has a very lively social function. Some spaces are deliberately designed to be used by different groups of people. The Chenghu Mosque is a mosque with Chinese Muslim nuances. The mosque was founded at the initiative of the Haji Muhammad Chengho Indonesia Foundation and leaders of the Chinese Surabaya community. The Chengho Mosque, also known as the Muhammad Chengho Mosque, is a mosque whose design resembles a temple. The mosque is mainly colored in red, green and yellow. The ornaments are rich in ancient Chinese influence. The entrance resembles the shape of the pagoda. There are also reliefs of dragons and lions in wax with Allah written in Arabic letters at the top of the pagoda. The name of the mosque is a form of respect for Zheng, a Chinese Muslim admiral. During his travels in Southeast Asia, Zheng not only traded and made friends, he also spread Islam. This reflects Indonesia's cultural and religious diversity.